welcome back to the channel. Today we have the toaster oven out again, and we are going to be doing a destruction video. Nothing too crazy today, but we have a can of soda and it's shooken up, and what we're going to do is leave that in there and see what happens when it's shaken up and it explodes. Hopefully we'll get a good show out of it. Last video we did with the toaster oven was you put a few items in there, like a lighter and a remote control, and we also put what I believe was a USB charger brick for a cell phone. So today we're going to put a can of soda in there, shaken up, and hopefully we'll get a good reaction. It's 450 degrees and it's set to turbo, and it's set to stay on. So I have it wired up there to a GFCI outlet, so we should be good. But hopefully something good will, hopefully it'll just explode really good. Can't imagine it would take long. So let's see. Definitely has to be hot in there. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say because it hasn't been in there too long, but at the same time, a lot can happen within a short time. Because toaster ovens, they get pretty hot pretty quick, so hopefully any minute now. We're about 7 minutes into it, so far nothing. Oh! There we go. Oh man, look at what it did. Look at that. Dang. Not as much as I was expecting, but honestly, that was pretty good. Oh man, you can kind of start seeing it leak down. I gotta figure after 7 minutes something has to happen. It is hot. No, that's not bad. Let's see, is the soda warm? Not bad though, it's not too bad, but look at the way the can opened. It literally just... Alright, let's throw something else in there. Alright, what we have up next is a Camaro, and it's just a cheaply made one from the dollar store. And it does not have any type of mirrors on there, it's missing the mirrors, so figure might as well. And close this door. Hopefully we'll get this going nice and toasty in there. And we'll throw the box in there when it starts. I'm expecting this thing to start melting really quick. Just like that, look at the top, it's already starting to cave in. Oh wow, look how quickly that's all melting. It's one way to melt it down. Looks like it got crushed by a car crusher. Oh god, look at that. Wow. That did not hold up very long, did it? Look at the way the plastic's just lifting up. Look at that. Let's see if we can put this in the back. Put this in next. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And see what we can do. See what toast does. Something should start happening up on the top burners. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's getting nice and toasty. We got fire. Let's take a look here. Oh yeah. Nice and toasty. That stuff caught quick. Once it goes, it goes. Ooh, look at that nice clear fire. Not too bad with smoke though. Pretty good. You still hear the sizzling from the 7-Up. Oh wow, look at that. pretty much completely nothing left of it. Oh God, I wonder how hot that is. That's really hot. As you know, on this channel we love fire and we love exploding things, so two of which have happened today, so we also love to short stuff out and rewire things to make it work the way we want. But luckily with toaster ovens, I don't think they have a thermal fuse or nothing, so even then it's so hot in there we really don't have to worry about that. But oh God, look at completely nothing left. Now it's a smoker. I really wish I had a heat gun so I could see how hot this really is. Completely nothing left. Okay, let's go get some water. You can just see it sizzling up there. Oh, look, it went down. The metal got deformed. Okay. Look at that. Nothing left of it. Oh, wow, look at that. You can definitely tell it's super hot. Look at the way the water rolls off here. It kind of bounces. Look at the way it bounces. Well, and that will do it for this video. So feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next one. Hope you have a great rest of your day.